I'm really honored today to introduce a most celebrated athlete. Everyone knows him, and he is a two-time Olympic medal winner. I'm really thrilled to have you, sir, here.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you.
I really admire your resilience, your expertise, and most important thing, India has a 41 years of drought in gold medal in Olympics, and with sir's defense techniques and guidance, we achieved in 2020 and repeated in 2024 Olympics. Really nice.
But it's not only me. Their team done a wonderful job.
But you are like a pitama of the team. You have played, I think, 4 Olympics. Almost more than 2 decades you have invested in this field, and you have achieved this remarkable thing, sir.
But I'm so lucky to have that long journey, and actually
the luck favors only those who actually shows full faith and spirit, dedication to this.
I believe that. I totally believe that. Thank you for the compliments.
What made you choose us, Dermalife and me, to work on your hair transplant? What was the thing that you encouraged us?
I think it's you, doctor, because when I been through this research, it's about the doctor and his experience matters a lot, because company's name will be there, but the experts are the ones who is going to work and who is going to get the difference in you. So I was impressed with your experience, first of all, the journey which you had. More than 10 years of experience. So I think that's the first thing which I did, and definitely later on when I researched, when my team checked about that, they said this is the right place for you to come and do your hair treatment. So that is how I ended up with you.
Thank you, sir. And my next question is, what is your experience regarding surgery?
See, definitely as a normal person, I did had my the worries before, and I was a bit not really nervous, but that concern things, how it's going to be, are this going to be okay with that, or the medications, the complication parts. But definitely thanks to you made it really easy for me, because all these PPT, the explanations, and the way you explained about the procedure, that made my mind much calmer. And I should say that, okay, definitely that's a long process. As we shared it together, it's almost 6 to 8 hours. I hope it's worth it, because the procedure was smooth. You are well known about your equipments. You shared your experience, and you shared about the equipment. So I was well aware that what is going to happen.
Yeah.
And then when you are knowledgeable about the procedure, then it's easy for you to accept with things. So definitely for me, your suggestions and your guideline was really helpful to meet up with this procedure. But I was super happy with that.
And sir, how do you think this hair transplant will help your on-field and outfield expectations?
See, normally before, we goalkeepers used to hide our face with a helmet. So before, I think it won't change anything, because nobody is going to see your face. But now, being a coach of the junior team, and the person who is going to choose coaching as a passion, I think now people are going to see my face without a mask. So my appearance is going to be totally different. And second thing, as a post-elite athlete, I think people wanted me to go and visit people, attend function, talking with corporates. Outlook is really important. People knows me with my bald hair, shaved hair, but now I'm trying to change it into a different face. So I think this hair treatment is going to help me to get a new confidence, because when you have got a very good hairstyle, and when you're standing in front of a big crowd, it's going to give you immense confidence.
That's great.
And usually it's not that I don't have confidence in my hair, but I think that some changes you need in your life accordingly.
And techniques are available.
Exactly. So we are using the benefit of the modern technology. What you said is like, you're using the modern equipments to make it so smooth and clean, and it's look natural. Then why should I not try it? So that is why I'm here, and I feel like after this treatment, I'm going to get more attention to my hairs now.
It is a personal choice.
Yes.
For viewers who are seeing us, it was a big surgery. It was more than 4,500 grafts. We achieved in around 8 hours, completed the job. It went smooth, very quietly. The administrator, local anesthesia did everything. You were totally awake. You can feel everything what we are doing. Just there was no pain.
So the only thing which I felt like, being a sports person, your body is really
always active, and now you are trying for.
Definitely we got enough break. Whenever I requested Dr. gave me breaks, or the other technicians helped me to settle down in a well way. But yes, the procedure went really smooth. Because I was much aware of the procedure. Second thing is that 4,800 hairs, and I believe that is going to make a big change in my definitely look, and automatically now I realizing that okay, how I went through that, because we started our procedure, we got the anesthesia, then we started to get the donor area hairs, then I implanted. Then we took a break for the lunch. Then after that again, the donor area, then we picked some hairs and again we covered some area. Then we got a break for coffee. Then after that there's a piss break. Then we finished it. Technically it was more comfortable for me as an individual. Don't compare me like a post person, but eventually if you are taking me as a normal person also, these kind of breaks are really important, because sometimes when you get so much irritation, because I felt it somewhere like, just lying down in a particular position for such a long time, that gets to your muscles really stiff and stressful, then that is a required time I need to get a break. So, but I believe
because it is in under local anesthesia, so
yes,
kind of we can stop the procedure.
Exactly.
Give you just you can sit, you can just go and have a walk and a little bit.
Perfect. So I think this procedure went really smoothly, and I was so happy, and I was so aware of what was going on and which area they were all working on. So it was pretty good for me.
How excited are you about the final results?
I'm just waiting now, because so I used to keep the short hair for a long time, but now after seeing my after the surgery, the plantations, I'm waiting for the real thing to come. Yes. So now I wanted to try something new hairstyles. I want to have a long hair now. So I'm just excited to for the another 6 months. That's what you use. It's almost 6 months to get into the real growth. Then I'll come back for sure to show my new hair.
I will keep inviting you.
Yes.
Again and again. And do you want to say anyone who is considering hair transplant?
Yes. So definitely say if you are willing to, or if you are planning to do an hair transplantation, choose the right doctor. And I always believe that if somebody is feeling like they wanted to do the hair treatment, then definitely you should do it, because that is going to influence your confidence in a positive way. That gives you more confidence, that will allow you to get out and face people in a natural way, because this treatment never gives any odd look or any artificial look to you. So this is exactly natural. So anytime doctor is here, so you can come up and you can take the service of this doctor. Thank you.
So I will just end this talk with as sir will be now will be a coach for many youngsters. So starting with the Shri Ganesha ji.
Okay, thank you very much.
Bhagwan Ganesha ji.
Thank you very much. That's so sweet. Thank you, doc.
Thank you, viewers.